In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix chess.com not working, whether the site won't load, games aren't starting, or things just feel broken. These quick fixes work on both Windows and Mac, and they usually solve the issue in just a couple of minutes. If this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, head over to chess.com in your browser. If the page is stuck, partially loading, or behaving strangely, the first thing you want to try is a hard refresh. This forces your browser to reload everything from scratch instead of using cached data. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5 at the same time. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. This alone fixes a lot of temporary glitches. If the issue is still there, the next step is to clear your browsing data. Open your browser settings, look for privacy or history, and click on Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select cached images and files, and you can also include cookies if the issue is persistent. Then confirm and clear the data. Once that's done, reload chess.com and check if it's working properly. Still not fixed? Let's check your browser extensions. Extensions can sometimes interfere with websites like chess.com, especially ad blockers or security tools. Go to your browser's extensions or add-ons page and temporarily disable all of them. After that, refresh the site again. If chess.com starts working, you'll know one of your extensions was causing the issue, and you can turn them back on one by one to find the culprit. Next, try restarting your browser completely. Close all tabs and windows, then reopen your browser and go back to chess.com. This helps reset any background processes that might be causing problems. If none of that works, try switching to a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, try opening chess.com in Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Sometimes the issue is specific to one browser, and switching instantly solves it. In most cases, one of these steps will get chess.com working again. These are simple but very effective fixes that solve the majority of loading and performance problems, and that's it. You now know how to fix chess.com when it's not working. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.